Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sam and I'm going to show you how I achieved this high puff pineapple style. It is my go-to style for the summertime. I wear it all of the time and I used a couple of new products, some Melanin hair care products in my tutorial today. So feel free to like, comment, and subscribe if you're into this kind of content, and let's get into the video. So here I just jumped out of the shower really quickly to show you the Melanin hair care shampoo, and I was just shocked at how easily the shampoo just slipped through my hair. It didn't strip my hair at all, and it was actually pretty easy to detangle my hair in the shower. So yeah, I'm gonna jump back in the shower and finish washing. So I'm all dried now. This is my dried-ish hair. And then I just use my Cantu leave-in conditioner and apply that all over my hair from roots to ends. Then I use my Melanin hair care oil blend, and I again just worked that through my hair from roots to end, and I made sure that I focused on the ends because they are the oldest and most fragile part of my hair. So I'm continuing to work the oil into my hair from the middle to the outside. And then I use this elastic band to just bring my hair up into my pineapple so that it's easier to work on where I need to put the gel. So this is the Melanin styling cream, and it's the first time I'm using it, so I started in the front and I started to just work that product through my hair, and the curls came out pretty good. I'm actually very surprised and really happy at how well the styling cream worked in my hair. So I continue to just work that through all the way around from the front to the sides of my hair. And so I took the elastic out to just take in my little afro. I was just feeling myself and I loved how my curls were popping. So next I used my extreme gel, and I used this gel just in the back of my hair because I noticed that the Melanin hair care gel wasn't defining my curls at the back as much as they were at the front. So I just did finger coils at the back with my extreme gel because it just tends to hold my curls better. So here's a close-up of my curls at the back, my little coils. So once I finished putting that extreme gel all over the back of my hair, I used my pick to just pick out the roots to give my hair a little bit more volume. Then I put that elastic band back on, and I put my hair in a pineapple and continued to pick. And that's basically my tutorial on my pineapple. I hope you guys liked it, and I love this style. Thank you so much for watching my video on how to achieve this high puff. I did notice while just kind of sitting here and letting it dry out that the front where the Melanin hair care styling gel, where I put that, the curls are not as defined as the back where I have my extreme gel. So I don't know if you can see that or if I can zoom in on it, but my curls over here are definitely more defined, and the ones at the front, although they were very defined when I first put the gel in, now that it's kind of dried out, it's not as defined. So just keeping that in mind. But thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you liked it, feel free to like it, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you're into this kind of content, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Okay, bye.